Heals Peniza already. Never mind, I'm good. Nice diseases.
Those tanks are snared for now. Wow, I'm sorry.
Heals Peniza. Heal Peniza. Heal Peniza.
You're pet on that. Both their tanks are snared for now. Well, there's a pet on it.
All buffs Peniza. Still getting fucking lit up.
Got a healer pushed up way in our back here, stunning it. And
I need a cure disease so I can catch up to my target.
casters are pushed up too.
Nice interrupts on him. Nice, good job.
I can't do anything. Let's see what happens. Bodyguard variant. Bodyguard variant. Stop! Hang on with that. I can't kill it. Wow.
Heals Peniza. I'm pushed in deep, guys, back here.
Bodyguard miss him on.
Wow.
Bodyguard miss him on.
I didn't know Divix fucking cheats like this. He's lagging all over the place.